Hello! So, you probably want to learn the trick that you just saw from this anime. So, this is how it looks like. This is the most basic trick in pen spinning. Everybody learns this trick first. It's called the thumb around. And the way you perform this trick is you grab the pen like this. You can do it with any pen, like, let's not confuse it. In the clip he's using like a regular writing pen, like this one. So, you grab the pen like this. You create the pressure with your middle finger. You can feel it in your index finger when you're pushing this way. You can feel it in your index finger. You remove the index finger from the equation and the pen will most likely fly off, which is okay. So after you learn how to do this, you're going to learn how to control that momentum. So it only rotates around your thumb. So you're going to play with the speed. That was good. This was not good. That was good also. Now, when you learned how to create exactly the right amount of momentum that you need to carry over the pen around your thumb, the only thing left to do is to catch the pen. So you're just going to spin the pen around thumb and catch. Spin the pen around thumb, catch. And that's how you do the thumb around, which this guy did in the anime that you saw at the beginning. I might put it here also, so you can see the comparison like this. Exactly the same. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.